This guy's going now.
Now, is the comb going to be attached to this panel?
We don't know. It might be. I believe that we attach probably to the panel and to the interior wall.
Here they come.
Dennis, let me have that. I mean, Stephen, let me have that smoker, please.
I'll go up into the house. And,
okay, yeah, I think 310 the Tango.
Okay. 455-2865. Okay.
I don't know if you can see that, but there's 6 or 7 stingers on my glove where they've attempted to sting me through the glove, and actually one of them did get through. I don't think he injected much poison because it's not throbbing, but I definitely felt it when he stung me. Here's the reveal. Let's see the comb.
Going into their new home.
This is drone. You see those bulbous things? That's the male.
Big
the only
cells.
thing they do is screw the queen. That's their only job.
Nice work if you can get it.
Now I just want to open up a little bit.
That's beautiful.
It's all worker brood. Worker brood.
Do you have any smoke?
In another 2 weeks, we have 3 times the bees that we've got right now.
It's done.
Should I staple the screen on the bottom entry? Should I staple the screen on the bottom?
No. Put your hand over it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3. Up. Just hold it. Hold your hand over it. Keep it there. Let's give it to him on this side. Test it first to see whether it sprays and it's not a jet. Okay. Other side. Other side. Other side. Okay. The thing's at least a third of the way filled up. You might spray them just a hair, just one little spray every once in a while. They seem to be dispersing down in the frame very nicely. Now you can see them. Now there was a half of box load. Yeah, we've got to load up all those things. Jeff, I think we're going to have to take this board out of the way.
Okay, ladies, coming through.
Get it, I would do it on one side and do the other one so you know you got it level. Start working it down the side now. Okay. All right, don't worry about 1B. Is everything all right, Joe?
Yeah.
Okay.